Hi! In this video, we're going to see how Apply Master Page feature helps us to apply all the modifications done on the header and footer of the master page to all other HTML templates. Let's start by opening all our templates, starting by the index.html, which is our master page. This action offers us the opportunity to discover PineGrow Page Tabs feature, which is very useful for working on multiple documents at the same time. As a reminder, in one of our previous videos, we defined the header and footer elements by adding the site content action to the main element of our page. We can make changes to header and footer only on the master page. To try it out, we modify a bit of text in the header and in the footer. Then we apply the changes to other templates. Save the index.html template. We switch tabs to 404 template. From the WordPress menu, we select Apply Master Page. PineGrow now asks you for the confirmation. Select Apply the Master Page. Changes are imported and applied to the header and footer. You can now repeat the same procedure on all the other templates.